was a secret code that they would play and it pleased a lot. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the 5, the 5th, the minor fall, and the major lift, the bell for king composing hallelujah, 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 Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bedding on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight over through you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, whatever land from love was out of shoot. Someone who